Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download code from Lovable AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to lovable.dev and make sure you're in the correct Lovable workspace. Once there, scroll down to find the project you want to download the code for and click on it. You'll see a chat box on the left and a preview window on the right. Now, scroll down until you find the prompt where your project was executed. For example, something like Add Travel Tracking Website. Click on the Code tab and you'll see your generated code. At this point, you can manually highlight all the code and copy it. That's one way to do it. However, there's a much easier method by connecting GitHub to your project. To do that, go back to your workspace and click Sync your project to GitHub. Then select Connect GitHub, log in with your GitHub account, and allow access. Once connected, check your organization, click Continue, and confirm the connection between Lovable and GitHub. After syncing, you can click View on GitHub, where your entire project will appear as a repository. From there, click the Code button and choose Download Zip. This will instantly download a zip file containing all your project's code. Once it's downloaded, open the zip file and you'll see every file and folder that makes up your website or app. And that's it. So that is how you can download code from Lovable AI. So that's all for this video. Thanks.